My daily routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. I get out of bed and start my day. I get out of bed and start my day. I open the windows. I open the windows. I make my bed. I make my bed. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I walk my dog in the park. I walk my dog in the park. I take a quick shower. I take a quick shower. I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee. I eat breakfast, usually toast and eggs. I eat breakfast, usually toast and eggs. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I pack my bag for work. I pack my bag for work. I leave the house at 7:30 a.m. I leave the house at 7:30 a.m. I drive to work. I drive to work. I listen to the radio in the car. I listen to the radio in the car. I arrive at the office by 8 a.m. I arrive at the office by 8 a.m. I greet the receptionist as I enter. I greet the receptionist as I enter. I take the elevator to my floor. I take the elevator to my floor. I greet my colleagues. I greet my colleagues. I check my emails at my desk. I check my emails at my desk. I attend a morning meeting. I attend a morning meeting. I take notes during the meeting. I take notes during the meeting. I work on my projects. I work on my projects. I make phone calls to clients. I make phone calls to clients. I take a coffee break at 10:30 a.m. I take a coffee break at 10:30 a.m. I continue working until lunch. I continue working until lunch. I eat lunch at my desk. I eat lunch at my desk. I usually have a sandwich or salad. I usually have a sandwich or salad. I browse the internet or check social media after lunch. I browse the internet or check social media after lunch. I take a nap on the couch. I take a nap on the couch. I start working again at 1 p.m. I start working again at 1 p.m. I review documents after lunch. I review documents after lunch. I attend another meeting in the afternoon. I attend another meeting in the afternoon. I write reports and send emails. I write reports and send emails. I take a short walk outside the office. I take a short walk outside the office. I return to my desk and finish my work. I return to my desk and finish my work. I leave the office at 5 p.m. I leave the office at 5 p.m. I drive home, sometimes stopping at the grocery store. I drive home, sometimes stopping at the grocery store. I buy some food for dinner. I buy some food for dinner. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I eat dinner while watching TV. I eat dinner while watching TV. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wipe the table. I wipe the table. I water the plants. I water the plants. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I often call my parents. I often call my parents. I watch a movie. I watch a movie. I read a book. I read a book. I surf the internet. I surf the internet. I prepare my clothes for the next day. I prepare my clothes for the next day. I brush my teeth and get ready for bed. I brush my teeth and get ready for bed. I set my alarm for the next morning. I set my alarm for the next morning. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I fall asleep around 11 p.m. I fall asleep around 11 p.m.